Daily activities start by 3 a.m. itself in big dairies like this by putting dry fodder and cattle feed. Drinking water is flooded in the same feeding trough after the feed is spent. Green fodder is put after completing milking before 7 a.m. By 9 a.m., the animals are given a bath. Later on, they are let out for wandering for 2 hours, which makes easy for cleaning the shed. Buffaloes are sent to water tank for swimming if there is a facility. By 11 a.m., the animals are brought back to the shed and given complete rest. Animals masticate and sleep during this rest period, which facilitates good digestion and better milk yield. Strangers should not wander in the cattle shed, especially in buffalo dairies during this rest period. Otherwise, the animals stand up and lay down, spending energy, leading to poor milk yield in next milking. Again, dry fodder, cattle feed and water is given from 3 p.m. Milking starts by 4 p.m. Green fodder is put by 7 p.m. after milking is over. Then the animals take rest. It is advised to restrict putting fodder only 2 to 3 times a day. Feeding throughout the day is not a good practice, which gives no time for mastication and proper digestion. Provide clean drinking water 3 to 4 times a day. A big animal needs 75 to 100 liters of water per day normally, and still more in hot summer. It is estimated that the production of 1 liter of milk needs 10 liters of water. Hence, water shortage for the animal will affect the milk yield.